Now, last question from the exemplar part, question number 24. Here it is given two stones are thrown vertically upwards simultaneously with their initial velocities u1 and u2 respectively. Prove that the heights reached by them would be in the ratio u1 square is to u2 square. And we have to assume that for upward acceleration is minus g, for downward acceleration it is what? Plus g. Means acceleration due to gravity is taken as negative for upward motion, positive for downward motion. So two stones are thrown vertically upwards with initial velocities u1 and u2 respectively, and we know that at highest point final velocity would be what? 0. For upward motion g is taken as negative. So we know what? We know v square minus u square equals to twice gh from the equation of motion. So v is 0 here. Final velocity at highest point would be 0. So we can write 0 square minus u square, and acceleration due to gravity has to be taken negative. So minus gh. So it will be minus u square equals minus twice gh. So if you simplify it, minus minus got cancelled, so you can write 2gh equals to u square. Therefore h equals to u square by 2g. Now for first stone we can use this relation, this one. For first stone यहाँ मान लेते हैं हाइट को h1 और इसका हाइट को h2. So we have to find out the ratio of their height. So h1 we can write for first one. First का initial velocity क्या है? throwing velocity u1, so we can write u1 square. और दोनों का acceleration due to gravity same है, so we can write what? u1 square by 2g. ये हो गया relation 1. Now for second stone h2 we can write h2 equals to u2 square by 2g. Now we will have to find out the ratio. इसको मान लेते हैं equation 2. Now as per the question हम लोग को क्या find out करना है? u1 ratio of the height मतलब 1 और 2 का मतलब फर्स्ट को फर्स्ट में रखना है. So h1 by h2 equals to what? u1 square by 2g, and here u2 square by 2g. So it will be u1 square by 2g into 2g by u2 square. So if you look at here, g got cancelled, 2 got cancelled, so it is what? u1 square by u2 square. So क्वेश्चन में तो हम लोग को यही प्रूफ करने बोला गया था, रेशियो u1 square is to u2 square. So the ratio is u1 square is to u2 square. So very simple solution here for question number 24. I hope you understood everything. तो एग्जाम्पल अगर आप